And sometimes we have to distribute before we combine like terms. And that's the idea that shows up in all of these examples. So here we have 3x plus 5 plus 2x. We need to distribute this 3 first. We have 3 times x and a 3 times 5. So let's write it like that. 3x plus 15, and then we still have this plus 2x. Now let's combine like terms. Here's a 3x and a 2x. That gives me a 5x, and I still have the plus 15. So 5x plus 15 is my answer. In the next one, we distribute the 5, multiply the 5 times the x and times the 2. So this becomes 5x plus 10 plus 4. Now in this case, there's only one x term, but the 10 and the 4 can be combined. So I keep my 5x, and then I combine the 10 and the 4. Those are like terms. And they obviously add up to 14, so 5x plus 14 is the answer. Now here, the 3 is multiplied by the x plus y, so let's distribute that. I'm going to take the whole thing and rewrite it, but when I get to that, I'll distribute the 3. So 2x plus 3x plus 3y minus 4x. Now let's combine the like terms. Here's a 2x and a 3x. That gives me 5x and a negative 4x. 5x and negative 4x combine to a single x. And then I still have my 3y left there. So x plus 3y is my answer. And in this one, 3a minus b, we start by distributing the 3. So I have 3a minus 3b, and then I have plus 6b. So let's combine, let's see, the 3a, there's no other a terms, but a negative 3b and a positive 6b, those combine to give me a positive 3b. So I have 3a plus 3b for my answer. In this one, I distribute the 7, so 7 times a gives me 7a, and then 7 times 3b gives me a 21b, and then I still have my minus 2b. Now the a term is all by himself, but the 21b and the minus 2b are both b terms, so they can be combined. So we'll keep our 7a, and 21b minus 2b is 19b. So 7a plus 19b is the answer. Now here I distribute this 6 right there, multiply the 6 times the x and times the minus 1, and I distribute this 6 here. So let's do both of those distributions first. This first one gives me a 6x minus 6, and then the second one gives me a 6x plus 6. So I have 6x minus 6 plus 6x plus 6. Now the 6x terms can be combined. 6x and 6x is 12x. And then this minus 6 and the plus 6, minus 6 and positive 6 add up to 0. And it's pretty common just to strike them out like that. We don't even need to write plus 0 over here. 12x is my answer.